Before you commit to InMotion hosting, there are a few things you absolutely need to know. Whether you're a business owner looking to scale or a blogger just starting out, InMotion might look like a great choice on paper, but is it right for you? Stick around as we break down 7 important points you should consider before hitting that buy button, especially when compared to its competitors like Bluehost and SiteGround. First off, InMotion hosting offers some of the best features for performance at a competitive price, but don't expect the absolute cheapest option. When you compare it to Bluehost, which often leads with low introductory prices, InMotion doesn't try to undercut the market. Instead, they focus on providing value through speed and reliability. Their shared hosting plans come with free SSDs, which helps with faster load times, especially when compared to traditional HDDs that many competitors still use. Next thing, customer support. InMotion is widely praised for its customer service. Unlike many hosting providers who skimp on support or outsource it, InMotion prides itself on offering 24/7 US-based support with a team that's genuinely knowledgeable. If you've ever dealt with poorly trained agents at some of the cheaper competitors, you'll really appreciate this. Whether it's phone, chat, or email, the response time and quality of support are impressive. The third thing you need to know, InMotion hosting's performance and uptime. They promise an uptime of 99.9%, and after using their services for quite some time, I can say they mostly deliver. While no hosting provider is perfect, their uptime is solid, especially in comparison to the industry average. Their servers are optimized for speed and reliability, something I've noticed with their high-speed data centers located across the US. If uptime is a critical factor for your site, InMotion is a safe bet. Moving on to the fourth thing, the variety of hosting plans they offer. InMotion isn't just about shared hosting, they also offer VPS, dedicated servers, and managed WordPress hosting. This means that as your site grows, InMotion can scale with you. It's not the most basic provider out there, it's more suited for users who need room to grow. So if you plan to expand your business or site in the future, InMotion's got you covered in ways that basic hosts like HostGator might not. Next thing, pricing. InMotion hosting isn't the cheapest, but it's not overpriced either. The best value is found in their long-term plans, which come with free domain registration, free backups, and free SSL certificates. The only downside is their renewal rates can jump up after the initial term, so be sure to factor that into your budget. But when compared to competitors like SiteGround, who also increase renewal rates after the first term, InMotion's prices are more reasonable for the features they provide. The sixth thing, security features. This one is huge, especially in today's world where website security is a top priority. InMotion hosting includes free SSL certificates, automatic backups, and an advanced security suite with every plan. This is something you don't always get from the more budget-oriented hosts, and it's a huge plus for anyone who's serious about keeping their site secure. Lastly, InMotion's website builder is a handy tool, especially if you're new to web development. Their website builder isn't as robust as something like Wix or Squarespace, but it does the job well for small businesses or simple sites. The drag-and-drop interface is intuitive, and they offer pre-built themes to make the process faster. If you're looking for a more complex builder or additional customization, you might want to look elsewhere, but for most small to medium websites, it's a good option. So if you want to try out InMotion hosting with some exclusive benefits, click the first link in the description below. This will give you access to the best deal available and a free trial so you can test it out for yourself, risk-free. You'll get a solid, reliable hosting service that competes with the best in the industry, and with their stellar customer support and performance, it might just be the right choice for your website. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more, be sure to click the link below to start your free trial with InMotion hosting today.